So, a very good morning to all hustlers. How are you doing today? Today is Monday, so hope you are up to your daily routine that you have planned with you. So, at what time you woke up? Like, I'm not here to ask with you in that way that I should promote you, I should motivate you to wake up early. But what time that suits with you, you can follow that routine. But yeah, if in my general days, in my office days, I used to wake up around 4 or maybe 3. Yeah, I'm doing this from past 1 month, from like past 1 month. But still, I would like to figure it out one thing, that if you will wake up early, then it will be definitely good for you. And let me tell you how. If you will wake up early around 5, then you don't have that much chaos around your surrounding, and you have the positive mindset. Then you will think about doing the meditation kind of things with you, and that will definitely calm your mind, that will definitely peace your inner fighting spirit and all, and the demons that are fighting inside you, that is like constantly kicking you, that you will not do that thing, you can't be able to do that thing, you are incapable of doing that thing. You will defeat that demon for sure, and you will definitely take one step stronger towards that defeating factor. But moreover, I want to tell you one thing more, that the promises that we have made with ourselves, and the promises that we have made with the public or the other viewer who is watching me, that I will do that thing. So definitely I will stand on my promises for sure. Even today, I'm not well. So this midnight, I got unwell due to dehydration and vomiting and all. But still, these are the temporary things. But we have to be practical, and we have to be focused, consistent, and the most important discipline factor will be there with us. That will always keeps us awake every single time. Whenever you will think that now it is time to give up, no. We are here to create something of our own. Yeah, it is the metaphor for everyone who is listening, and maybe they are laughing too. That what the rubbish is talking about. But the thing is that if you will constantly hit a single thing for a long interval of time, then it will definitely get broken. So for me, I will definitely hit the single thing, that is the unsuccessful, that is the defeat for the long time, and definitely I'll successful, and definitely you will too, because what it takes from you is just a discipline and the positive mindset. For me, as of now, I'm lacking in my mindset because of my surrounding, because of my area in which I'm living. I'm not getting the positive mindset personal, but still I would like to incorporate everything that I learned from the people around me. Yeah, but when it comes to discipline factor, then I am on the way, and I am on the verge to be the consistent person, no matter what. If you are crying, then study. If you are happy, then study. If you have some plan, that you have made for yourself, then too you have to study for yourself. Then you have to toil every single day, irrespective of any situation. Then you will get something. For me, it may take 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, but for me, as of now, the consistency matter. No matter what my current situation is, I would definitely be the best of it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Yeah, take care, because I got unwell, but you should not. So please take care and forward. Bye.